For today's video guys, isamahan nyo na naman ako sa panibago nating vlog. So mag-vlog tayo kasi meron tayong event, no? Kaya nag-makeup na ako ng madalian. Tapos pagkatapos ko na mag-makeup guys, ay nagbahay na agad ako. So andito na ako sa faculty guys. At inaantay ko na lang na mag-start yung program. Andito na nga ako sa harap guys kasi magsisimula na yung program. Ayan, jump na tayo guys. O ayan, nagpakilala na po yung inyong ante, no? And after naman nilang inintroduce yung mga judges, agad-agad naman silang nag-rampa na. O, diba? So ganito lang ako mag-judge guys.
Are you ready for your question?
I'm ready.
Okay, I believe that you are confident. So here's your question. I will repeat it twice. So the question is, as a marketer, how can you help small businesses in the Philippines recover from economic challenges? Again, as a marketer, how can you help small businesses in the Philippines recover from economic challenges?
That's a good question. We are living in a world where digital is rampant. So we can help the SMEs by
After nga nating mag-question and answer, ay proceed na tayo sa mga winners. O ganyan lang kadali, guys. Wala nga ako masyadong videos guys kasi nga sobrang busy. So ayan, eto lang yung mga clips na aking naipon sa aking gallery. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you like and share. Bye!